video. So let's go ahead to the next one here. We don't need to be subscribed anymore, but it's going to auto-like at halfway. So it's 18 seconds. At about 9 seconds here, we should see that it auto-likes.
There's only a few days left.
Doris online from Glasgow. Oh, hello, Doris. Hello, Doris. Hello, hi. So what's your view? Should we be teaching kids to sing a national anthem, maybe a Scottish one?
Okay, so we've got this random video here, and we're going to see at about 50% of the video, it's going to auto-like here because that's the settings that we've set up here. We set all videos 50%. So give it a moment. Boom. There's the auto-like that you just saw there, which is at 50%. So as soon as it kind of gets halfway down the video, it's going to go ahead and auto-like. So let's triple check that it's working here. Another short random video. Once we get halfway, it should auto-like for us. Of course, you could change the settings to anything that you want. Here it comes. Boom. There's our auto-like. So how do we use this plugin? We can auto-like our own channels, right? All you need to do is make sure you're logged into a Gmail. You're logged into YouTube. You can't like a video if you're not logged in. So just make sure that you're logged in, and you could do this with multiple Gmails. You can log into one Gmail, like all your videos, log into another email, like all your videos. You could take all your videos and put them in a playlist. Funny videos, take all your videos, put them in a playlist, and then have your browser watching all of those videos, and it's going to like each one. So it's a very simple way to automate YouTube. This used to be on the Chrome extension website, Google Chrome extensions, but they actually removed this plugin, so you cannot find it on the Chrome web store. It's just kind of something that you have to know. But if you type auto-like, you're not going to find the correct one. I do see this one here. I can't guarantee this is the exact same one that I'm using. So it says not working for me, works for a while. There's no list. The one that I have right now is working. I just confirmed that it works. Just showed you guys in real time. Just want to see if this is by the same owner here. Can't really tell. But the one that I got is from GitHub. You just search and it's by Austin CM. Austin Morgan is the developer, and this is the one that I'm using here. So don't use the ones from the Google Chrome store. I can't vouch if they're working or not, but that's how you install the auto-like extension and start auto-liking videos.